Hey everybody, it's Honeylicious, I mean Sonata, and I'm glad to see you on Sonata Doll's channel! Finally, that day has come. Can't believe that today I will gather the whole group of girls LOL OMG REMIX. I want to introduce you to the talented singers, musicians that I already have. Here is adorable singer Kitty K, guitarist Lone Star, and bright Madonna Pop BB. I have made separate videos of unboxing for each of these dolls, so if you are new to this channel, you can find the previous videos in these playlists, link to which I always leave below in the description under the video. Let's greet African American doll from the REMIX series, Honeylicious! Finally, all the REMIX girls will meet up and hang out together. I think they will also like to stand together on the shelf. Maybe I should put some extra shelves here? And on this side, place dolls from the large Super Surprise set. Let me know what you think about the background update in the comments. Now, let's move on to unpacking the Honeylicious doll. The pink square box of Honeylicious is made in the best traditions of this series. Bright OMG logo is placed in the corner of the box. Through the gap, we also see the REMIX inscription. Honey is a true R&B star. In my opinion, her art is one of the best ones. Honeylicious' name is similar to the Hollywood sign. The bright pink music plate just wants to jump out of the box. Designers have done a good job working on a comfortable handle. Look, there are Tetris figures in the background of the name. Do you already know who's Honey exchanged clothes with? I have a friend of hers, Lone Star. Honey Bun wants to bring her sister to a party. Girls, why did you get produced earlier than Honey? Lone Star hadn't forgotten her friend. Memorize this sign of pink headphones. First of all, we take out the music plate. Honey did her best making this record not in vain. Her song is called REMIX. We take out a box with a music player and the doll. Let's unwrap this music album. My mix is so fly, I gotta put it in airplane mode. Wow, Lon, and you're here. Hello girl, let's already sing a duet together. Let's find all the secrets of Honeylicious. Here are sneakers with a platform. What an unusual pair of sneakers and a really high platform. They also have heels. I have never seen such shoes at LOL OMG. And on the platform there is an OMG inscription. Sick! Well, let's open the treasury with all the accessories. Honeylicious wears glasses so that the light music in the nightclub doesn't dazzle. And these are pink mesh oversleeves. A massive gold chain with a pendant like many R&B divas have. Look at this little watch. Honey, when is the time to light it up? What is this transparent miracle gadget? This is a real DJ console. On the other side there is an inscription that it was made in China. These are gold earrings with installed AirPods. What an innovation! It's time to meet the fourth star of this series. Give it up for Honey! Wow, Honey, you're just stunning! What a silky pigtails you have! And these stands on your face have something special. In the parting, there are the same pink strands. Over time, the ends of the braids can get untwisted. This is the main disadvantage of this hairstyle. The makeup perfectly matches her green eyes, and also she got kissed by sun on her nose. What a cool underwear! Military top and pink panties with LOL OMG inscriptions. Also, these panties are paired with pink nails. Ooh, what a shiny panties! What are we going to dress up our star with? We will find it now. In a long lilac bag there were military trouser harem pants with a gold chain on the side. And there are large square pockets on the legs. There are also pockets on the belt. And long ribbons are here as decorations, such the hip-hop style. And the belt is put through them. The second bag of headphones. Do you remember that I asked you to memorize these headphones? Inside here is a denim jacket. This is a zipped denim jacket with a large hood. The sleeve is painted with a gold paint and there are the inscriptions: Vibe and World. We rule this world. It's time to try on the first set of clothes. Yeah, Honey knows how to be notes at a party. Let's not waste our time and unpack Honey's second outfit. This is a denim suit, top with the shoulder straps and a chest pocket. The skirt also has pockets in the front and back. This kit seems simple to me, but it's sewn very well. Yeah, these bright sneakers and pink oversleeves definitely brighten up the look.
Girl, I still have one more set for you. Give it to me. We will exchange it in the next video.
Unfortunately, Honeylicious didn't have the extra musical instrument package that other dolls in the series had, although we have seen big DJ headphone icons everywhere. And Honey only had small earrings. Although Madonna's headphones would be more suitable for her. Honey's room looks just like one from the Barbie world, speaking about its color. Fashionable neon lights, vinyl records on the walls, a table with a pink boombox, and seems that someone has left a graffiti message on the wall. It's hard. Honey is getting ready for her first DJ set. All her friends come to support her. Girls are going to the party now. Let's learn the song lyrics. They are in the Honeylicious music magazine. Don't try to play, oh no, we might steal the show. Me and my crew, let's go. Let the rhythm flow. I'm with my crew, we ride. We remix this vibe. We rule the world, that's right. We are LOL Surprise.
Don't try to play, oh no, we might steal the show. Me and my crew, let's go. Let the rhythm flow. I'm with my crew, we ride, we remix this vibe. We rule the world, that's right. We're LOL Surprise.
Each LOL OMG remix doll is unique and stands out in its own way. I'm so happy that I have a remix Honeylicious doll. I think it has more pros than cons. And now the collection of the remix series is complete. Now I'm waiting for a big super surprise set with 4 LOL OMG and 4 younger sisters. Write in the comments if you are waiting for unboxing of this large set. It was Sonata Dolls. Collect your favorite dolls. See you in the next episode. Bye!